So before the blizzard, we covered strawberry plants with containers. Go ahead. And we put a rock over them so we would be able to find them after the snow. So, I believe this is a rock. Yep, there's the container. These were baby strawberry plants just starting to grow this year. And I knew we were going to get a blizzard. So we covered them up to see what would happen. And indeed, I don't know if you can see that, there is condensation in there, which is good. It means there was some air in there. And sure enough, they are still green and still upright and not frozen. So we will put some snow around them so that it will melt and keep the dirt wet. Now there are more, which we will find. Okay, I think I've found another one. I've taken a stick. I'm digging around. I think I found another one. Yes, this is a little bit smaller one. I'm being very careful not to freeze the other ones. Our temperatures at night should be okay. That uncovered, they should be fine. It was the snow that I was mainly worried about. Alright, there's another one. Alright, again, we can see there's condensation, so they did have some air, some moisture. And, oh, that was my little baby one. He looks like he survived.